All right, so we're in JP. We're gonna go to on McBride Street. See what it takes to get down to Forest Hills T-stop. Forest Hills is a big station. For those that don't know, the Orange Line. This is the Southwest Quarter Park. They finally got rid of these bumps. So we'll just come down here. There used to be tons of bumps here from the roots of these trees. I think they still need to do more. To the left, you can see that's the actual train tracks. You might hear one going by. Oh, there it is. It's coming. That was in Acela, actually. You could tell because only the Acela has that red fin on the front and the back. So this is Forest Hills. Deviate in here for a minute. All right, so that's one way to get in. You go on this side. You'll go onto the road. There's a tunnel. Take you right into that station. Go back on the path. This is very important. You're going to see the white go signal will display, but it won't show both of them in all likelihood. You got to be very, very careful. The people taking a left turn at this intersection, this is a big one. It's midday right now. This is nothing for traffic. But you can see how fast people are going. This intersection was done very nicely. Now over there, it looks like a clump of trees, but that's the arboretum behind there, the Arnold Arboretum. See how it says, it gives me the first one, but not the second one. The reason why is right here. You're going to see this person going left. And I would strongly recommend not only waiting for that white signal, but also taking a real good look afterwards. There's always somebody running to them what is a green arrow. There, here we go. So I look again. So here's the Forest Hills station. We'll do a little loop through here. How you doing, buddy? Bike rack. You can store, get that camera over there. You can store your bike as well in this big shed. A little light right now, a lot of vacations. There's the main entrance, A entrance. See, it says Orange Line and Commuter Rail. It's also a Commuter Rail stop. This particular station is very well laid out as far as like a bike path and all that. They're not all like this. This is a bigger one though as well. I'm about to show you more. Here's the back side. We'll take a little cruise through all the get an appreciation for all the buses. So this is like where the buses hang out. There's another one below though. So up there you see which, check which number is, so underneath this as well, there's, you know, essentially the same. There's 39, right here is a big one, very popular. These are all probably 39s, honestly, because they're double bus. We're gonna cross back. That's it. That took you from like around English High, McBride Street, down to Forest Hills on a bike, and I looped around super fast if that was your commute or you needed to get somewhere.